Right, here is a short little video of a building project in Arnhem. I was walking in the city of Arnhem and I came across this building site. And I thought it'd be interesting to walk around the block and film it a little bit and maybe explain a few things about it. This here is a typical example of an urban infill location. There used to be some existing buildings here from presumably the 1950s that have been demolished. And therefore some new apartments are going to be built in its place. The BAM construction company is building this and they are using an in-situ concrete method. Instead of using tunnel forms, they are using individual, separate wall forms in combination with semi-precast slabs. Those wall forms are made of steel, that's why the walls have a fairly smooth finish. Also, the walls are doubly reinforced because they are part of a moment frame that can absorb the wind loads. Here you can see the semi-precast slabs being propped. There's the crane. You might be wondering why they are not using tunnel forms on this project. Well, I think it probably has to do with the scale of the project. It's probably not big enough. Tunnel forms require a large repetitive project and also a lot of maneuvering room for the crane. And this is not that type of building site. As you can see, the building site is quite cramped and it's adjacent to some busy urban streets. There's just not much room to actually remove the tunnel molds from the building. So they are using the wall in combination with a semi-precast slab method. And it is a lot more flexible. It allows for more variation in spans, in floor plans, in incorporating precast elements into the structure. It gives a lot more flexibility than tunnel molds. As you will see in a moment when we reach the corner and kind of see how the building meets with an adjacent building, you can see that they can also incorporate precast elements with this particular system. We are now reaching the corner. There's also a column. Notice when the block is kind of ending and meeting with the existing building. The existing building next door is a masonry structure. You cannot pour an in-situ wall directly against it, so they are using a precast wall there. Pay close attention now. This is where you can see the precast wall. All of this would not have been possible with tunnel molds. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this short video and learned a few things about in-situ concrete construction. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.